Hi, we'll be talking about surface tension in our lab. Introduction. The purpose of this lab, using different liquids along with different substances, was done in order to test why substances would spread to the sides of a ball, resulting into a hypothesis of surface tension taking place.
Surface tension, a property of liquids arising from unbalanced molecular cohesive forces at or near the surface, as a result in which the surface tends to contract and has properties resembling those of a stretched membrane.
Materials. You're gonna need 9 bowls, 1 gallon of Poland Spring water, 1 Poland Spring bottle filled with vinegar, ground black pepper, iodine salt, Italian medley, 1 bottle of detergent, a dropper, vinegar, and a ginger ale.
The procedure. You will have to label all the bowls in the following order: water with pepper, water with salt, water with Italian medley, vinegar with pepper, vinegar with salt, vinegar with Italian medley, and ginger ale with pepper, ginger ale with salt, and ginger ale with Italian medley.
First, start with water and the 3 different substances: salt, pepper, and Italian medley. Take all 3 bowls, add the corresponding liquids along with their substance, and the salt. Add salt to the bowl, label salt. Add pepper to the bowl, label pepper. Add Italian medley to the bowl, label Italian medley.
Start off with a bowl labeled water. Put a small amount of dish soap into the dropper, and with the dropper, add 1 drop of soap into the 3 bowls. Record your observation for each bowl. Now take the bowl with vinegar. Put a small amount of dish soap into the dropper, and with the dropper, add 1 drop of soap into each bowl labeled with vinegar, just like the last process. Record observation for each bowl.
Lastly, repeat the process again, yet this time with ginger ale. Add the same amount of soap using the dropper in each bowl. Ginger ale with pepper, ginger ale with salt, ginger ale with Italian medley. Conclusion. During the lab, the process of surface tension was taking place because the dropper is a
Because pepper is hydrophobic, which means it repels water.
It floats and does not dissolve with other liquids. The pepper spreads not because it repels to the soap, but because soap breaks the surface tension of water and the pepper floats to the sides of the bowls.
Different liquids have different surface tensions as well. Therefore, the substances floating to the sides do not always occur. Also, some substances, such as salt, will dissolve in water since they are hydrophilic and they do not float on liquids.
Thank you for listening. Have a nice day, everybody.